Now I want to tell you about Instant Mesh, efficient 3D mesh generation from a single image with sparse view large reconstruction models. We can try to check it on Grady demo or install it locally. We see some examples, and even if I go to the Instant Mesh, actually it's created by Tencent, you can try to generate some of the icons from here, and this is the input image, and then it will remove the backgrounds. It's still processing, and after that we'll be able actually to see it from different angles and download 3D models in OBJ or GLB extension. Yeah, by default obviously it's ticked by remove background, and we see generated multi-views, and now we are waiting for a generated 3D model. We need to wait a little bit and sample steps. I recommend to keep it high because yeah, it still needs some steps to generate accurate 3D models, and actually it's losing a little bit when it comes to more complicated 3D models or the image that we want to use. So this one actually looks great. I can even open it up on my 3D previewer in my Windows local machine, and it can be really added to the thing that I want to use. So this is how it looks like after I download it. So maybe let's see another example, or maybe try to upload our custom image. I would like to see that first. This looks like some sort of the structure, and you can use this structure for mobile games, or maybe a low poly video games, some indie games, or maybe RTS games where details for the buildings are not so relevant. And yeah, we see it from generated multi-views, so it predicted how it can look like from different angles, and soon we will be able actually to see the 3D model that can be used. Okay, and actually it looks pretty great. I like that. It's a low poly, but still it's a great actually progress. We generate a 3D model based on one image. Okay, let me try to generate maybe this one. This is like some simple character, and then I will try to generate this character. First it will remove the background, and then it will process. Let's see how it works with the humans. It's actually highly recommended to add them in T-pose, because I will show you actually how you can animate this to the image. So not only create 3D model, but actually later on how you can animate them. So this is the generated multi-views that I have created. Let me see. And this is the Instant Mesh efficient. I can try to download it. And from that, I am going to use Mixamo tools, and I will upload character. I will use the 3D model that I actually have downloaded before, and I will try to maybe see this in extension, because I cannot see preview on file thumbnail, and now I'm uploading it. And yeah, as you can see, this is the 3D model. I can rotate him. We need to rotate him like this. And now we need to set up the chin, wrists, elbows. I think here will be fine. Knees and groin. I'll set here. And let me see how it works with auto rigging. As you can see, I rigged the entire 3D model that was generated by image, and now I can even apply any animation that I want to. So let me see if dying animation can work. Actually works pretty well. So now I can even download this animation and use them in an Energy Marketplace, as you can see here. So I can use these tools to leverage, create 3D models, and then apply animations and sell them on Marketplace, or just iterate them with projects. And we can download them in FBX binary format and then add to an engine project.